So here's this friendship bracelet I made. There's an example. Have you ever made a friendship bracelet before?
No.
Have you seen them before? Do you know what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we're going to teach you how to make one today. What do you think would be the first step? I'll have all of the supplies right here. What would the first step be?
To pick out the string.
Mm-hmm. You can choose however many you want and make it yourself. Okay. Now, what do you think you need to do?
Should we cut the string?
Mm-hmm. How are you going to measure out how much string you need?
Should you measure it around your wrist?
Mm-hmm. Around your wrist 10 times.
Okay.
It's kind of like a rotary.
Like this part?
Mm-hmm. Count it out loud.
5, 6, 7. It's tangled. 8, 9. It's close enough.
Okay. Right there.
Right?
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's tangled again. 9, 10.
Next one.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Now that you have all the string cut, what do you think the next thing we should do would be?
Should we tie them together?
Mm-hmm.
How do I do this?
Just make a little knot. There you go. And when you're making the bracelet, what would be the best way to keep it still?
You can use the tape to tape it down to the table.
Mm-hmm. Good idea. Can you tape it? Okay, now here's the hard part. How do you think you would make your bracelet look like this?
By wrapping one color around the others.
Now, let's see how you do that. Now talk me through what you're doing.
Taking the orange and wrapping it around the yellow and the pink.
Okay. Good idea. But we are wrapping it around. But instead of just wrapping and wrapping, we have to tie it so it stays there.
Okay.
So try again with wrapping the orange around.
How do I tie it?
You're going to make it a knot. Let's see. Hold this in one hand. And this in the other hand. Now wrap it around. And tie it. And then you pull it tight. And then you keep going. I can't do it for you. Pull it over. And then through the hole. Not that way. Through the hole down here. There you go.
Under or over?
Over. It's kind of like you're making the shape of a 4. You make it over and you pull it through.
How many times do I do this?
As many as you want. You're just going to make a section like there is on here of the same color, and then you can just switch the colors whenever you want. Now walk me through the steps of what you're doing.
Okay. So I'm taking the orange and crossing it over top of the yellow and the pink, and then bringing it back under and pulling it tight to make a knot.
Good job.
Can I switch colors now?
Whenever you're ready, switch colors. Now tell us what you're doing now.
Now I'm putting the orange and the pink together and taking the yellow, crossing it over the two of those, and then back under and pulling it tight to make a knot.
Okay, now pretend like you're teaching me how to make a bracelet, and how would you walk me through the steps of what I should do?
Well, first, like, do you mean from the very beginning or from what I'm doing now?
Just from what you're doing now. Once we've already got the colors, now how would you teach me how to do this?
Well, you need to hold one of the strings separate from the other two. And then take the one by itself and go over top of the other. And then pull it back underneath and pull it tight to make a knot. And just continue doing that.
Okay, good. It looks like you're understanding it well. Now, if you want to continue.
Okay, I think I want to switch to pink now.
Okay, so walk us through what you're doing.
Okay, well, I'm taking the pink by itself this time and going over top of the other two and then crossing it underneath and making a knot.
Good job. Okay. We're just going to make a short bracelet this time. So whenever you're done with the pink, go ahead and let me know and we'll move on to the next step.
Okay. Okay, do you think that's long enough?
So now what do you think the next step would be?
To tie it off.
Just like right in my hair or somewhere. That's a lot longer.
Just once.
Yes. Now, how would you make this string a bracelet?
Well, shouldn't we cut off the excess first?
Yeah, you can do that. Give yourself a little bit extra room just in case. There you go.
And then tie both sides together? Okay.
Okay. So now does your bracelet here, does it look like mine? Yep, pretty close. So, good job. I think we figured out how to make a friendship bracelet.